Hi, how are you? So the Essence sale is still going on right now by the time I publish this video, which is great, so you guys can take a peek if you haven't yet. I bought a couple of things over the last few months that I wanted to share with you guys. It's really just a few bits. I really tried not to go off. Usually what I do is at the beginning of like a designer season, I will go through my favorite designers and favorite everything that I like and put it in a wish list. And then once sale season rolls around, if I haven't bought anything, well, first of all, I monitor if it sells out or not and if I really want it. And then if it hits like sale season and actually goes on sale, then I'll just shop the sale from my wish list, because I try my best not to browse through everything, because I'm just gonna find a whole bunch of things that I might not need. Yeah, at least I try to sometimes. Let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
So I think I might as well start off with what I'm wearing right now. I never paid attention to the Nike like buy on Essence, but it's pretty good. I like their curation. Like every time I walk into the actual Nike store, I don't like anything, but what they choose on Essence is like pretty sick. Like especially the female workout stuff. They have some really cute like unique crop tops that are like one shoulder, nice bike shorts and stuff. They're really nice. So I'll link everything down below. But I'm wearing this fitted long sleeve, kind of like almost scuba knit dress. It's like fitted all the way through. I'll probably do a cutaway, but it's essentially like a mini dress. Okay, I'm gonna do a cutaway. I think it's really cool. Like I wouldn't actually work out in it because it's too short too. I think it's just meant to. Are you supposed to play tennis in this? I don't really be knowing. It's cute, but I now need a pair of shoes to go with them. I feel like it's kind of weird to wear Vans. Like I can't do that to this dress. Like I can't wear it with Vans. I want like a sleek black look. I really want like the triple black Vetements. Like that with this in the fall time would be so good. Yeah, and I just feel like regular boots with this is just weird. Like I have to wear it with sneakers. This was like pretty affordable. The Nike stuff, when they hit the sale, they barely go on sale. I don't know, they're like 10 to maybe like 30% off, but like it was still something. I think this was like maybe $80-$90, something like that. But I think this is really cute. I like the little zip detail and the little swoosh right here, and it's like nicely fitted and stuff. And this little collar. Like I love long sleeve things. It's just so flattering. And then I also picked up a pair of shoes. These Nike sneakers. I don't know what they're called in series. I don't know, but I'm gonna link it down below. I think they're really cute, and oh my, I'm so mad no one told me about these sneakers. Like when I posted them on my Instagram, everyone was like, oh my gosh, best sneakers ever. And I'm like, what? Rude. Okay, you should have told me about them, because they feel like orthopedic shoes. Like my feet are walking on a cloud in these things, and I don't want to call them that already because you're still clean, but they're probably going to become like my beater shoe, because they're so comfy and they're so affordable. Like I feel like when you're actually shopping on Essence, you're so used to seeing like luxury prices, and then when you see Nike and you're like, I could possibly wear this with these, but like it's just not the vibe. Like I feel like these are more retro and this dress is like more modern. So I need like a very sleek look. I do also have a pair of like Nike Flyknit whatever racers that are like all black, and I actually wear them to work out in. But I just feel like then the whole look would look like I'm going to work out, and I wouldn't work out in this dress. I don't know. I think I need a pair of all black Vapormaxes to F up the look. I also wanted to mention like a few things that I missed in the sale, because while I put everything in my wish list, sometimes I look back 2 seconds later and it's gone. And you know what's so nice about Essence? How it will say like there's only 2 left, or like 1 remaining, or last one, or whatever. Which is so helpful, because when you're shopping the sale, you're like, should I buy it now or should I like wait for a second? Because especially the fact that like Essence goes cheaper in their sale like every week or like every other week. This was like the biggest thing I was really upset and sad about, because I wanted this t-shirt to match my boots. And like, I know like the boots I have don't say Vetements, but like it would just match the vibe. Like the oversized look with maybe like some fitted jeans and then like the sock boots. It just would have looked so good. I like the kind of cool postage thing on the back that it had. It like I swear for the longest time this t-shirt was fully in stock, all sizes, and literally like I checked one night and the next day all the sizes were gone. Like someone I feel like bought all of them, which is really odd because that never happened to me before. I was so sad. And I tried to check the rest of the internet and I couldn't find it anywhere, but it is what it is. It's gone. I also picked up a few months ago, like during quarantine, I think. If you watch my how to style hats with thick curly hair, you might recognize this. Really nice, easy, simple errands piece when you don't do your hair or your makeup that day. I can't really put it on right now. I think it's like really sick. I feel like this would look so good with like my high neck black acne t-shirt, an oversized blazer, and like some black bike shorts and sneakers. Yeah, it'll be such a look. And this one is actually from the men's section. I was looking for the women's version. It was sold out. And then I was like, it's just a hat. Like I might as well just check the men's section. And I found this. And it was really good. And I actually ended up preferring the logo of this one over the women's one. So yeah, it was nice. I actually do wear glasses. I just live life on the edge and don't wear contacts. And if you guys watch one of my vlog videos, I was explaining the Chanel ones I have. Like, they've just been through a lot. Like, I won't get into it. I was kind of looking at some of like the gold frame aviators because I felt like those would look so cute and kind of 70s. What I did was I favorited them and I put them in my wish list and I thought about them for like a few months. Because like eyewear, like when you buy them, I at least want to wear them for like the next 5 years or so. So I wanted to make sure I was finding one that would suit my face, and it's obviously really hard to do that when you shop online for eyewear. Aviator styles, like especially like something like the classic Ray-Ban or like whatever other designers buy, they usually will suit almost every face shape. And I feel like aviators suit my head, so I thought about it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy them. So this pair by Chloe, I like favorited, and then after they went on sale for like I think 30% off or so. I think they were like $300. I was about to buy them and then they sold out on me and I was so sad. And then after that I scoured the internet for them and luckily I found them, and obviously just my luck, I ordered them and I was like, yes, this is fantastic, they're gonna be here soon. And then a month and a half went by and I was like, where are my glasses? But I know the whole world is like a lot slower with this virus and stuff right now, so I was like, I don't want to be that customer. But after a month and a half, I'm like, I'm gonna be that customer. So I emailed them and they're like, I'm not sure what's going on, because it said it should have arrived in like less than a week. So a month and a half, I gave tons of time. Pretty much now my glasses are under investigation with like the shipping company that they sent it with, which is so annoying. And like, which is fine because I get it, things happen. I feel like twice now someone like tried to like teeth designer things that I ordered like in the post, but whatever, like usually the stuff is protected. So they told me that I have to wait 90 days for the investigation to be over. Like, how is that my fault? Like, no offense, but like send me another pair. Send me another pair and express it, because that's not my fault. But I get it, like it's not their fault either. It's their handler, their courier. So I don't know, we'll see. I hope to have these in my possession soon. I think 90 days. Oh my gosh, that's gonna definitely bring us like November. But that was my Essence haul, just a quick little thing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you watch these other videos you may have missed and click my head to subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so we could chit chat and be best friends, and click the bell so you know when I post videos, okay? I love you so much. Take care.